noina sise ehoi gi lamne hardi please bring your legal documents adu noi gi kaisu legal kaisu leidana ahoi gi lamni kuki macha sna la aga phubi adu tobi habdu nang kari wakhal lage nang mona conscience hama habas leitabra ba phubi phone su lambi admai tobudu kadai di story la aga nang sakat panoba ai yam na eba
hello jena mam from jeri mam no mam thoki ba ngarang nahan gi thodok aduda naga gi che ma kuki singna masagi maramda yum sajabada thinglakiba amde loinana phuba cheiba aduga mobile thugai khiba mayamsu tabikre amadi ubikre ado hoji amu nahona kuki nupi amamu chongtroklaga thokiba incident adu magna uhobra natraga journalist oibra dikhangde magna phongdrokpa example galonena every coin has two side coins khudingmak side ani yauribani naga gi side chei di mayam su tabikre hoji mana phongdrokpa magi side tagi mu hoji tamina sena mayam armada video si imne siko.
So this is in regard to the recent incident that happened 2-3 days back. So me myamnasu ubiramani tabiramani videos me am sinkiba, but let us all remember that every coin has two sides. Ko moi gi side of story tabaloi hai. Huzik, please listen to our side of story. So aina ahan bamakda haijaning badi huzik ki hariba auntie haisra ima haisra ma se lungbiram da leiba natte. She is from Imphal second mardik lakpane, and then aina ngasi haning badi sigi thodok se noina lungviram hain haibasi lungviram gi relate kari su leite madi individually as an individual person mana lamlei hi bani amson haiba mi adagi ko and aduga amson haiba sina kanara haiga he is the chief of consakul so amson se consakul gi ning thokne ba aduga amson sina kari toba haiga akhoi leilon khunau gi lamdu mana yon thok charakpaneba yon thot lambado akhoi indi kai su khangbi de so for example noi gi compound da noi gi yum mamang du da noi gi lamdu da mi na yum sagi na la adi kai su haide bida without any prior notice without anything beforehand la aga lam sagi na la adi what would you think? Let me just briefly tell you what really happened ko without any filter that 6 numit sida JCB puraga yum sanangai landu takke na lakpane ba moise ko laga and then after akoina khamba matungda we went to them and we requested them earnestly very humbly akoina request obane ba asise akoi gi leron khunau gi lamne asi please sabiganu without any prior notice ka idletabida asmain sabiganu Horen kona phazana clarity leiraga ngangnaba matungda you can continue your work but for now please hold tobiyo sabiganu haibaneba ko bizan request ore or workers mam sulaye and then yanaraga moyum chakre and then the next day amka moila eba la aga they still continue the same thing and then obviously akoi su amko chaptabani and then amko chatlure request bizan tore yade si togunu there will be a problem afterwards but still moina they try to continue their work moi gi thabak tawdo yum saningai gi lam takpado taweba aduda leiron khunau gi authority ga moi gi amson gi moi gi authority ga laeba ngangnaraga tawba yaroi ngai hayeba and then they keep on talking about Ireland akhoi gi lamda yum sagi tawraga moina khame haiba adu khamdu kari gi maramra su hai deba in video me am yenge ba kari gi noi gi lan su hai draga noi like you talk as if noi gi lamda hoina thingapogumna kuki singa la aga thingapogumna haiba please do not do that khangbra we all are Christians we all believe in God ko huzik matam se yamna very tense matam neba as we all know kari issue thok prana and on top of that we like adding oil to the fire tawudu please tobi ganuba and then you don't have to include the whole Naga society because of this because of your individual concern nang mi am purakanuba as the situation is already worst, please don't try to add oil to the fire. Ado haijaningbani. Ado, my dear auntie, my dear mom, ay ima gumbani ko. Noina sise ehoi ki lamne hardi. Please bring your legal documents. Noi ki legal government recognized over documents Leitana. Noina kamai na like kadi wakhan leraga ehoi ki lamne haina noi claim to ba yabraba. Ehoi ki legal kuno ki mingdadi. We all have, you know, each and everything documented. Kambra government recognized over document legal document do leyeba. Ado noi ki kaisu legal kaisu Leitana. Ehoi ki lamni Kuki machasna la aga phubi adu tobi habdu. Nang kadi wakhan lagi nang wana conscience habis later braba. And then you keep on talking about how people exalted you. Aduga phubi phone su lambi admai to budu. Kadai the story la aga nang sakat panoba. Ay yam na eba. Please like listen to me carefully. Nang I know that nang nungayam dabi ay pesa mayam tingmura lamda roga nang gilamduda. Like I understand your concern. But that is between you and Amson. Amson no wonder kari lam yo lambra ma yinatabado. That's not up to us. Kangbra ahoy ga kari su de. But still ahoy no wonder pasana request oraga si biganu pasana ngangnaraga adu taraga you can continue your work haizabaneba. Adu nang na husik drama tho ibese kaino ba. You shouted this and that in media da kaino nganga like falsely me bu kera involved to hanbadu karigit mai to braiba. And then to all my dear CSO executives and leaders, just because as an issue, an incident, no in a kari issue tigatabida, you know, like I've said, coincide front and back lego. Adudu ama side to kari issue tigatabida, no in a lambi tingba adudu tobudu. Like why did you do? It's my earnest request. If you really want, you know, the truth to be, you know, prevailing, magi truth to asing to prevail toge. Kangdo ke harde please, pasana tigapiyo. No give ama side story kak tatabiganuba. I know, like the situation is already very worse right now. But still, I am earnestly requesting you. Situation do kamay na tora kamay tobra. Kari maram dagi tokbra. Ado pasan tigat piyu. And last but not the least, very most importantly, kananasu antibu imabu exalto bide pubide. Aduga molest togira natraga rep togira adugumba karisu laite. No one even threw your phone. Ko ahoy nang na video ko man number aduda toraga. We just earnestly requested you admai togunu lana thokini. Adumba nambiganu pasan gana se ashi togunu hai bahaiza baneba. Aduga nang na mi la aga phubi admai togudu kada digi lakpa no ba. Aduga adu request toriba mi ru Nupi ni. Ko nupa na wanda la aga admai hai banateba. Ahoy na puninga di nupa ani ahum lebutu puroidro blue and black tahan roidraba. Adun na tabida kadai de gino nanga story sakat padu the audacity that you have as a Christian woman, go as a mother, ay nga eba. That is why I was compelled to make this video. Aduga mi mayam na khang ngai di ahoy gi anti haijari base lungviram da leibasu natte ma Imphal dagi lakpani. Ko second my Imphal dagi lakpani. Please, no, let's stop making allegations, false accusations. Ko, let's all hope for the better, but never with lies. Aduga, to all my agi and ima auntie liang my women society bu, aina please, aina request of thousanding ba, appeal thousanding ba di, pot se achumba karira, pasana titok piyu. Adu kari su khangdana mi amagi story khak taraga ko like support blindly support obiganu khangbra.